wo. I am shocked. Kusi momo ananka yenim se ebia. Kusi fo be mo be twa fa kusi be ma ameto ma bana mendis kusi momu fo a perform ya to abana ma MPP dia.
Ntino sa mo say ya na mo so mo pene dia mo hwe so mo be ya na yese woni mu ahwe na omo ba ye ne the first 8 months no ene mo kan mududu o matimi aye nti abo wo so mo hwe so san to abade ma wo mo na die. The seat we are not going to win the seat that I must say.
Oh, me, I still me Lucy hope anything can happen. Yeah, the one
yes, anything can happen, you know. And you believe we say me say I'm talking from grounds. That's how me hear me. Share.
And
some of the people on data make us obia or yeah camp camp Kennedy bia on camp mabel maybe I think say because that's the most painful thing me hand. I am almost I am de munko they feel that
you see one funny thing that happened there Emra na John so na making you I will be adding a platform a campaign ma can say assume do no I saw one platform Kennedy platform na or then the platform na mind this form their campaign.
He know very well. Mexico. Why not say me time for baby? Almost time for baby. I am within.
So obviously, the vote buying happened. I was expecting a slim margin.
Even some of us may say some people I don't want to break. This is even some of the NDPs now they are against Baumia team. No, also went there to buy votes for the NDPs. That's seven Amokanisano. They are in our shirts and they will go to my catcher or say, yes, I see any of them, ye can't cry at them. Because what to my crown, I ain't me any papa Betty, and send him a pass if you must say, Haseba, Timonto Banama way more, no more, your money buy a betwasso. That was what they were saying and buying the votes. I send this for one to buy votes, Nana. Was some ben, what day? You see, go for I'm saying people will drop at show mass on the mode. Bonnie on my duty. And posterity is going to all these people.
Nipane fruit pakra yem pushino ni ya
I can't the oko campaign ma win. How come some man the boy squats on the platform so yeah the opposite?
Oko campaign ma wine. Ni na na
oh for result me do hand wo hosa Akwatia fon to abama ne bia.
Why? Now why don't you drop on me and chain baby pen now? Where who be paying?
Yeah, that's true.
And don't you know the good things that he said about me and Fido San River say?
Yeah. You are right. You are right.
What's that? Let them do whatever they will do. What's your say?
They say, Ubi bitro be adwene near bisa, Nina so ye Nina. Omeya Nina yom kikabo mono. The beto e beda di say, Kwadu ne de bo araba to go no se wana subampadi. Wana subampadi no, eda di pefe so a Ghana mranu a ye de appoint araba to kunu no amobeye Chief Justice say, se wana subampadi ye nyina sa mranu aso no mampeni ehwan wase konya. Enti emra na ye adwuma. Na ye me de se araba to kunu na kasa no sometime ago can say, it doesn't matter how many noises are made. The law is the law. Say emfa huni de a obeye emra ne de ye emra. And found one number of legal suit out there challenging the petition and the committee na a probe a year case no and running and found one the number of lawyers I don't make representative and running and found one number of witnesses I be free so mumra media dance and found the law is the law and found one number of months I will be delay the process the law will still be the law and found one say after this Obeko ECOWAS, Obeko AU, and as Obeko European Union, Obeko UN, the law will still be the law. And the law is the law. And to our history, we still have some more ways to read. Because the Electoral Commission, we need to clear. Electoral Commission there is not supposed to be one. Electoral Commission there. I mean, say all the 7 commissioners in all of them will see a video and there was some other officials, be regional directors, constituency, district directors. Most of them has to go because we need to build the confidence and trust in our electoral processes. Now for the Akwatia aba MPP be feel confident say even in opposition abana Akwatia no be antimi wiem. NDC in government will feel say even me kura na me wa ba mu no mintimi chinchimu mranani in favor anything myself. That is the process we want to build. Enti aba tokonu de baba name say me kanana we want to know say sika na aba tokonu edi bi twa plane ticket manu kunu edi bi twa ticket di man ma ede gro madam ase no ye ja mana fa ne say diana because we need to recover all those monies to the back to the cafes because ye nya say sika no pa ya de hu hia enti ye nya ne sa ma ne nko wodi kokromoti akwa ye dia o say de sotro ja ne kwan wodi ja akwa so na ye nya okwa eni nti no omoma ye hu onu ankasa onu an response so troye MPP as a political party publish the man no wagi to mu say ampa wono as a chief justice Akwatia na wo so tey official no we so man Ghana resources the private trip sika wa senke de man bodyguard na bambofo wo de set scan man ba esa de bi kura sa so the man ni nyina tia Ghana mra. We need to recover all those lost monies. Enti me nyane sa man for baby obekọ de ene nasem. So say the area him say President Mahama for some time now from now go we expect to say President ebe nominate a new chief justice. Ada say the host is here no obema no obe confirm no ana so obe nominate obi fufuro no is up to the president. Obe nominate obi fufuro na ko parliament so abeti no no so about to aso na adwuma. But the quest for Ghanaians to make sure say we sanitize our judicial system no should continue because na your judicial system no say antra say na baby akwa kodunde ntia langard nsem na doso no efa ye nyama suban da na di okọ
ye na mema me busa say so ujire say tokonu in her absence the judiciary will be in the thing better. See the main cause of our judicial failures.
Ana hwade Ghana a judiciary ninya problems enye ne. Na se wuti abakosem a even before Rawlings it was there. Even before Rawlings it was there. But Rawlings by and there was some sort of a discipline. Professor Mills by Professor Mills huye. Anansi koyanda.
Corona asem si so no corona da na amanfo so. In fact, onipa da sani edwane aprene nkwa. Na isi we ya ade a eye politician a ye petumi. Ha? Na ye tumi ye campaign a ye busy ye campaign message e wo issue de edi aduane ba betu ye table so. Ene se ye ka. Ense se ukohu se ahemfo ni ahemfo bi eko a na wa ye hu takra wadwam na umma the fuel gum se be ya obetumi anya political power so wonye wi a na den na wa achieve enu bi na ato John Dramani Mahama no bokonto kwesi ye no kogina ho ka kire bokofo se omunsua ne krom gonjafo afise gonja de aya asundwe wo ho nti bokofo nsua gonjafo ene gonja na ejademi enti no eno no ye beka ne sei etoso mienu Equia Global Peace Index edi abase Ghana ahaye hu we obi we investor na wasase we so a ese usu nkwa we say oman no mu ayehye oman no mu ayehu asundwe ni ha enti ye security no ana say ye bambo a wo man no mu no ayehu enti John Mahama mipa na chaw onye bibi mfa ho Maya na nado di dwano no na ya asundwe man obi hu Ghana say na aha eye asundwe fie anasa asundwe man waba wonye bibi mfa na at least ontimi enfa bi nka ho mpa de obeto no o maintain sama ye e kina obom so ne ye kunwe vendesi kun na ye kun omo omampani nya bibi amfa ho enti mesra no say anopei so man eda na koma so de a mipa na chew omomode so be bibia afa ho etoso mienu adwadifo a Christmas ibe omo kwa kofa nneama aba beton no say dollar omo nye bi to no mo de akofa omo nneama say dollar no so kwa na enche akaka na do 12 cedis I am but 11 and then 3 days me check here no na 11 cedis 75 pesos enompo no ukọ commercial bank unye bi abochi wo de omo ton 14 cedis pounds mpo de e be 16 cedis and yesra John Dramani Mahama say wenye bibi amawase a me mo no kro no enne ye betu petrol mu enti ahokyere ene nuama Mahama promise ye no wantu enye free so enti yesra no so bibi a abeya ama oman na wonye na ahokyere no adoso na mamemfa manunsi na menka mikrom kasa ka cruncher delegate madakuku na mimiato delegate o aso vira ko miava dako mia chairman of anu achiglinya amiaka no ngona mi no zuma na nkoya sam la kachi anwlo amfuega